In the blink of an eye, the digital world evolves, and with it, the threats that lurk in its shadows. Cybersecurity, our first line of defense, has never been more crucial. Imagine a world where your data, systems, and networks are invincible shields against cyber attacks. It's not a dream, it's the latest in cybersecurity. Today we're exploring how cybersecurity can transform your digital fortress. It's not just about firewalls and antivirus software anymore. Think quantum computing, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. These cutting-edge technologies are revolutionizing cybersecurity, making it smarter, faster, and more efficient. Why does this matter? Because in a world where data is the new gold, protecting it is paramount. Cybersecurity is not just a buzzword, it's a necessity, a lifeline in the vast sea of cyber threats. And the latest developments? They're not just game changers, they're lifesavers. So as we navigate the digital age, remember this: the best defense is a good defense. And in cybersecurity, that means staying ahead of the game, always pushing boundaries, always evolving. Because in the end, it's not just about protection, it's about empowerment. Welcome to the future of cybersecurity.